Welcome to one of my videos, and I'm going to talk about these night heaters, Chinese or whatever make model of diesel heaters, night heaters, and they're becoming readily available at a reasonable price on eBay and all sorts of sources. But one of the problems I'm finding with the Talbot Express, because I've only got one hot air outlet on the van, and it's a small van, it heats the seating area very nicely, in fact too warm, but the very bottom end of the van, where the kitchen area is and the toilet, is quite a lot different in temperature. It doesn't blow down there, it seems to keep the heat one end. So I've been trying to work out a way having another outlet the other end of the van, or blowing towards the other end of the van, and it's not a lot of room in the Talbot Express. It's a Rambler GL, which means it's the short body version. Anyway, but I've come up with this idea, and I'll just show you what it involves. And it involves obviously the air vent trunking and also the air intake pipe for the furnace part, the burner section, these, and these a few other odds and ends that you can find lying around the kitchen. What you need is a tin of a suitable diameter, baked bean tin, varnish tin, anything else you can find lying in the kitchen which you can clean up. You also need a 90°, I think it's 22mm plumbing copper fitting, and what you do, you cut the end of the tin out or remove the lid. You then cut the bottom out with a tin opener, and then you solder, if you're able to solder, the 90° elbow into the side facing the direction of where the air is coming from. So in the ducting, turn it over, the air comes from the heater through here, out the other end, and then out the small pipe. So this pipe then becomes an outlet pipe, and I'll show you how it all attaches. Okay, so you can see the principle involved. So the main hot air comes from the furnace or the diesel heater through the pipe. A small amount of it is filtered off down this small diameter pipe, and the remainder comes out the normal outlet. And what you can do, because this is a smaller diameter, it's easier to fit through the cupboards, bottom of the wardrobe, or wherever you want to put it. And it's a very simple thing that can be done. And all it means is making this T-piece from an old baked bean tin, varnish tin, and things like that. So as long as you can solder and can drill a hole and use a file, you can easily make one of these adapters. And I've just tested this on my 5 kilowatt in the shed, and it absolutely works perfectly. There's enough hot air coming out this small size vent to blow heat into the kitchen area of my Talbot Express. So it's going to run under the bottom of the cupboard, and it's not going to actually you know, get rid of a lot of space because it's such a small diameter. It can easily go across under the bedding, and I can put an extension on with a piece of aluminium tube I found lying around, so I can extend this, and then I've just got to make a small outlet to go in the kitchen, toilet area of the van. Simple modification, and I'll just take it apart. It will get painted up, and you need obviously tubular clips to go around. And this is it. And this is a Poundland yacht varnish tin, which I've cut the bottom out and took the top off, and you can see the plumbing fitting there. Turn it round. So the air blows down through there takes a percentage of the airflow away from the main vent and channels it down here and out the end. And believe it or not, it works extremely well. That's it. Easy peasy. Hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it's useful to you. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. Home is where you park it. Please subscribe and like.